how to get Kodi app on Samsung Smart TV. So there are a few ways for you to get the Kodi app on your Samsung Smart TV, and in this video I'll show you how you can do that using Roku. So first of all, you should ensure your mobile phone and Roku device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download and install Kodi on your smartphone from the Google Play Store. Turn on screen mirroring on your Roku by following the steps below. Open Roku and then open settings and then select system and then proceed to screen mirroring and then click on enable screen mirroring option. Now go ahead and screen mirror your mobile device into your Roku TV and watch Kodi. And that is how you can easily install Kodi app on Samsung Smart TV.